Hello guys, hope you're doing fine. I'm also good. So I'm trying this foam for the first time. It's cleansing foam, but it can clean everything in the house. Let me tell you. TV, sofa. But for me, I'm trying it on my shoes. You can see I have a very white shoes, but very dirty again at some point. I was wondering, will it clean it? Will it clean my very white shoes? Okay, I said let me give it a try because I've been seeing people trying it for a in media whatever. I said okay, fine, let me try it. So I'm there and then putting it, I'm like, why is it coming this a lot? And it can be, but let me tell you, the scent of this thing is on another level. It smells sweet, but the thing is, it comes with a, like, when you know it has like a very, is it much form, let me say so. So here I'm looking, and then I was confused. I'm looking for a brush, but then in the real sense it has got a brush, so the lid itself, it's a brush. I was like, okay, I'm used to brushes, and let me tell you, I'm almost saying goodbye to the soaps and the detergents. God. So yeah, let me try with my white shoes. Yeah, I'm there brushing. Let's see how it gonna work. I'm like, okay. And then I did one thing again, it doesn't splash. That's why I was worried with my white t-shirt also. But anyway, let's give it a try. Oh, let me tell you, we have to try these things wherever we see them. You know, you can't be left out. Why will you be left out? Tell me why. So guy, I'm there brushing, but then let me tell you something. I didn't even notice with white, because my white shoes was very dirty. That one I can tell. It's like this thing, it doesn't need the very dirty shoes like mine. And okay, and again the white shoes, because for me I feel like it was thumbs down. It's like was staining all over my shoes, and my shoes was becoming slightly brown. So my shoes need to be washed again with water. I guess that's maybe, but it's cleaning. Let me tell you something, it's cleaning. But then I didn't like with my white shoes, because it's like, where it was clean, it's now like brown kinda. But let me tell you, it's cleaning. Okay, I said okay, fine, let me try it on another. And again, it's removing the, I don't know, my white shoes was becoming something else. But then I said, okay, I'm not going to do with this white. Let me do with a different shoes, because I felt that one was not working on that shoes, because again, my shoes was very, very dirty. So I said, okay, fine, let me go and look for another dirty shoes. I came with this one. Yeah, this one was so dirty anyway, but not that really dirty. But let me say, I said, okay, fine. We gotta do whatever we gotta do. We gotta see what we can't. It's money. And I ordered from Kilimall. And let me tell you, for the first time, I'm ordering something from Kilimall, and it's giving me the best. Tell me, the very big. I thought it's something with the amount that I bought with. It was very, very cheap, like very cheap. So I expected something small. We know that fast, like what I ordered first is what I get. So, and this is not my first time ordering something from Kilimall. Normally it gives me smaller things, like very, very small. So I said, okay, fine. This one was very, 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 the amount was okay. I was satisfied. I said, okay, let me brush this one, let me clean this one, and let me tell you, this one is very mindful. No, I'm very happy, very demure. But let me tell you, okay, from the look of the things I was seeing, it's cleaning, it's making sense. And like the white shoes, honestly, this one was working perfectly, like perfectly, perfectly nice. So I don't think I will ever use a soap anymore. Bye bye soaps, bye bye whatever. Okay. Things. And then at some point I'm looking at myself, because I'm fearing it can splash on my white t-shirt, to bring stains and whatever. So I'm like, okay, fine. Let me tell you something. Go for this thing. If you don't like if you want your shoes to go for a long time, I don't know if it works only for this time, and then later on, that one I don't know, and then I can't. So I said, okay, let me, because I had finished on the top, let me go to the sole, bottom. And let me tell you something, guys, this thing is very demo. Yeah. So I'm there cleaning. Ooh, and let me tell you why Kilimall. I ordered this thing like, how can I put it, like yesterday, and it came today. Congrats, Kilimall. For the first time, I'm praising you. Though you have not paid me to advertise whatever, you to say Kilimall is nice. No, I'm just saying my own mind that for the first time in since I started working with you, for the first time, you're very nice. So I'm there cleaning with my dirty, with my a piece of cloth, yeah. But let me tell you, ooh, wow, I was smiling, you know, I was smiling. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. No more waters, no more serves. Look at it. Look at the way it was sparkling, very clean. Okay, wow. I was like, wow. Imagine, no force. Like, even in the bad weather, you can clean your shoes and go. Imagine, look at it. Very clean. I liked it anyway. I was really, now I'm getting in love with it because, this thing is on another level. Look the way it has cleaned. And then I've not used even any force. And let me tell you again another thing. My shoes won't be stolen outside. I'm not going to take them outside. For those who take them outside, you understand. I said, let me go for another shoes. Yeah, I said, let me clean again this one because that one was amazing. You know, oh God, I love this thing. So, no more taking shoes outside. For those who are waiting for my shoes outside, no more. You only seeing me wearing my white shoes, my clean shoes, wondering like when do I clean them? We are not in that era of now going and displaying shoes outside and whatever, waiting for the sunlight, whatever, whatever, whatever. I think this is on another level, and so this one was really, you can see and you can tell how it's cleaning. But the one thing is, I don't know how to press it like nicely. Me, I just press. You see the way I'm pressing it? I don't know. But I guess it's because I was now showing you. That's why I wasn't very keen when I'm pressing that thing. I'm pressing it and it's coming from the other side. Yeah, but now you see, doo-doo. I feel like singing now because now, wow, wow, wow. You can tell in a comment section, like, in a comment section how it looks. But let me tell you, I love it. I really love it. So thanks. This is called foam cleansing. And it can clean everything. It can clean your sink. It can clean your seats, your sofa, your TV, your laptops. Oh, it's like it's one thing in a one go. Like, multi-purpose something. Yeah. It's multi-purpose, so it can clean it nicely. But let me tell you something, I'm an African. I can't try it in on electronics. I don't know why do I have that mentality. Like, I won't try something on metallic things, like not a metallic, electronic, sorry. Oh, I don't think even my idea can go like, but I can see it really works. And but if I was like, what if I try with electronics and it goes off like that? But you can see with the shoes, my shoes are very clean and I've really liked it. Yeah, it stamps up anyway. You see how the shoes look nicely. And let me tell you, it maintains the shoes. The shoes keeps looking clean and new. That's what I've liked it. The shoes looks new. Imagine. Oh God, this thing is on another level. You can see it's like multiple. I've loved it anyway. Anyway, anyhow. Okay, I don't think now I'll go back. No more returning. No more returning back. You see, whenever I've liked something, I have to tell you I've liked it. I've liked it. But the white shoes, I think it's a no. Okay, and again, it's because my white shoes was very dirty. It needs to be cleaned up lately. I like the brush on it on top. So like, and then this brush is not like any other, like this brushes. It's elastic, silicone plastic. Let me say. So I was trying with my seat, like I'm like, wow, something trying something for the first time. You have to be like, okay. For the shoes, I didn't mind, but for my seat, I was like, was like, you can't see. It's not wet. It's, I guess I'll use it with the seats and the shoes. Yeah, seats and the shoes. Electronics? Ah, no, no, really. But it, yeah, it can use. You can use. But someone can try it and tell me with the electronic. But me, I fear tampering with the electronics. And then let me tell you, this brush is so nice. And then you can close it like that. It's the energy I don't have or something. I'm trying to close it, but this thing, sometimes you're closing it. I'm like, why is it disturbing me like this? But let me tell you, this brush is not like any other brush. It's so very friendly. And I think I'll go for this. I'll go for this. I'm like, look at the size. Look at this size. And it's very heavy. Very heavy. Okay, guys. I really appreciate you for watching this movie anyway. So, okay, and then I'm trying to read. It's metal. You can use it. You can, more so metals. If you're really, you have something, how can I put it? Rusted. If your whatever is rusted, you can clean it with it. Let's look on another, yeah, you can clean it your fridge, but outside anyway, not inside. It's really nice, really amazing. Very, I'm so happy. I can't stop using this word. Very demo. Is it like that? Because now it's trending. Let me tell you something. I was trying to say for how long will I use this? And let me tell you, it's so cheap. Can I tell you how much I bought this thing? Very, very cheap. Imagine Kenyan money, it's like 250 Kenyan money. In Kilimall, imagine. Why can't you go and visit Kilimall to give you such a thing? Anyway, Kilimall, you have not paid me. So okay, I said, okay, 250. Sometimes this thing. Anyway,